Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you tuning in once again. So we got a shop card shout out for you, and I thought I'd show you a little stash ad what we picked up over the weekend. So first off, we got a shop card from Gloria from Stout Creations. So go check that channel out. So Gloria, I really appreciate the words on the back. Thank you so much for that. That was very nice of you. Like I say, guys, go check out the channel. I will put a link in the description below. So Gloria's kind of new to YouTube. So go ahead and give her a like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. She's recently just been acquiring a bunch of tools and goodies that she needs and to get those builds moving along. So once again, welcome to the community, Gloria, and looking forward to seeing some of your builds. So thank you very much for the card. Appreciate it. Other than that, we went down to the OTown and picked up a few items. I went down there for a pizza, and I thought, you know, when we're in town, we might stop at the hobby shop to the god and picked up a few goodies. I was actually almost going to pick up that what is it, like the degreaser stuff? Not degreaser, that's not right. It was more the paint stripper. They sell that big, like it's almost a gallon of like purplish looking stuff. I really need to get something like that. I've been trying the Purple Pond. I've been using that for years. Brake fluid, whatever. And I've been stripping chrome for the Mobius tow truck build. That's kind of where I've been kind of on hold on that a little bit, trying to get that done so I can get a next video up. And talking to Tony Lancer, and he says, why don't you do some oven off? And I thought, oh yeah, I never thought of that. I guess I'll give that a try. So I had a wife pick me up a can of that the other day, and we're going to give this a try and see if this works a little better for me. Other than that, I'll have to break down and buy the other stuff, but it says it's fume free. I'm kind of doubting it, but we'll see. Other than that, was down the old hobby shop and picked up a couple of goodies. So I use these here, these nippers. I actually have two of them here. I don't know why or how I acquired two of them, but I must have figured I was going to be cutting a lot of track. These are for cutting model railroad track, is what these are for. And these are what's the brand here? Is it Xerox? No, Xerox is a copier. Xeron, that's the name of them. Xeron. Can't see. So anyways, but you know, lately I've been cutting wire with them and axle shafts and all kinds of weird stuff, and they're not that strong. They're not meant for that, you know, so it's been putting nasty holes and gouges in them. So when I do cut plastic with it, it's almost like I'm tearing it or I'm ripping it. And I thought, I gotta give me a new pair of some kind of, I should just get some actual plastic cutters, some nippers, and just be done with it, right? So I was down there, and they had the Tamiya side cutter for plastic. I thought, hey, that's me. I know some of the sprue cutters have the little bit longer end on them, which actually would be pretty nice, but that's kind of all they had down there. So it says it's got a sharp point to it, so we'll give that a try and see how those work. So probably a lot better than these guys, because I'm used to using that style of end on them, so it's not a big deal. So we'll give that a try. But other than that, I was looking in the model aisle and seeing what they had down there, and I picked up a few things out of another friend's house the other night, and I saw this on in his stasher, and I thought, you know, that's a cool car. I haven't seen that in a long time. And lo and behold, they had there the AMT Fireball 500. I thought, that's kind of cool. I mean, it's not something I typically build, but you know what? Sometimes you gotta expand the wingspan, you know, and just build something a little different that you're not used to, just to break up the monotony. So I thought that's kind of a neat kit. It's got the modified 426 hem in it, yes sir. So it's a George Barris build, so it looks like it'd be a pretty cool looking kit. I kind of hope I'm keeping the glare down. So yeah, so of course your typical AMT, you got the map on the back. Doesn't look like there's a lot of parts in it. Yep, I'm sure there's not. I didn't read the box to see, but I know it's a re-release, so I thought, you know what, it'd be kind of a cool build. Just something different. Something different. Other than that, this other kit I picked up. Okay, this one here, this is a Tamiya kit. And this kit here looked pretty cool, so I thought, you know, I had to have it. And I had to throw it out there, guys. I've never built a Tamiya kit yet. I know, shocking to some, maybe not to others, but yes, I have never built one, and one day I will get one open, because I do have a few of them here. Yeah, so I mean, I've been into the trumpeter and Aoshima's, and I mean, I've done a lot of different kits, but I don't know why I just haven't got one open yet. So anyways, we picked up this AMG Mercedes GT3 car. I thought, man, this looked cool. I don't know what it was. It was just staring at me, just like, buy me, buy me. So that's what we did. We picked that bad boy up. Cool looking car. I mean, that looks like a really neat build. I'll have to look up and see what year this is. It's got to be pretty relevant. You know, typical Tamiya, they give you the paint codes on the side for the car. I'm not thinking, hey, I got those colors in stock, so that'd be kind of cool. So I wouldn't mind getting on this soon, you know, in between all my other builds I got going on. I still need to get started on my USAC build. Deadline's coming up for that, but, you know, we're going to get on that soon. Other than that, yeah, so I think that's all I got for you guys. Yep, that's it. So I appreciate you guys tuning in. Check out our channel. Go check out Stout Creations, check out Gloria's channel, and hit up Hobby Models and check out Gallery Airbrushes and get yourself a new airbrush, guys. So good stuff there. Once again, I appreciate it. You guys have a good one, and we will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.